Alright guys, so this video is a long time in the making. I've been meaning to share my little hack with you guys on how to keep your kids' clothes organized and neat and tidy. For the longest time, just giving them dresser drawers with space to keep shirts and pants and pajamas and all of that didn't work because they would just get frustrated. They'd take out new clothes, they'd change their clothes multiple times a day. They would get frustrated and just like grab a bunch of different clothes and not sure which one to put it on their bed. And at laundry day, I would just find clothes scattered everywhere and I couldn't tell if they were clean or dirty. So I was definitely doing more laundry than necessary. Now that I've come up with this new system, it has worked beautifully to keep clothes organized and my boys in outfits that are all set for them. There's no more looking for socks and underwear and that chaotic time when we're walking out the door to try and find pieces. I've shared this hack with friends and they've loved it. They actually call it the Trisha rolls. So now I'm going to share it with you guys. Here, come along to our kids' closet. Okay, so this is my boys' closet. They share a pretty tiny closet, but even still we fit all of their clothes in here minus pajamas and play clothes just for wearing around the house. So we've got all of our dress shirts and sweaters and athletic wear, jerseys, and even suit jackets hung up. And then they each get one of these shoe cubbies just to make this super organized and simple. So we're between seasons here in Canada. This is April and some days are 27 degrees and some days are really not warm. So we've had a few days in the minus temperatures. So right now we have to keep out both long sleeve clothes as well as shorts and t-shirts at the ready. So I've got their sweaters hanging and dress shirts and everything. And then in each spot, each boy has one of these hanging shoe organizers. And I'll pull out a roll here. So this roll has a t-shirt, a pair of underwear, and a pair of shorts. And if they're wearing shorts, then they're usually wearing shoes that don't require socks. And then I've got a roll here with a pair of pants, and it's got a t-shirt, underwear, and a pair of socks rolled into it. So when I tell my guys to go get ready in the mornings, or if we're heading out, they can just quickly grab one bundle and they've got everything they need to get ready, and we don't have to worry about finding socks or anything else to complete the outfit. All they have to do is then pair it with one of the sweaters or things like that in here and they're ready to go. So up here I keep 2 bins. So each boy has a bin, and this is for the extra stuff that we don't use every day. So if somebody has an accident and needs a new pair of pants or a shirt or underwear, I've got a few duplicate things in each of these bins for them so we can replace them. And also other stuff like their church pants are up there, and some like warm weather pajamas that aren't in their drawer because we're not in that season anymore, I think. So just any of those spare items, they each have a place to keep them. And if they need them, then I will hand those out easily. And that's it for the rest of their closet. So each day they have a cubby. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that gives me 9 days worth of clothes. And I find that to be plenty to get me between wash days without having to be bothered. And then when I set it up like this, then I don't have clothes just thrown down everywhere. They know as soon as they take off their outfit, they have to put it in the laundry basket so that it can be washed and put back here so they have clothes to wear. If they happen to just leave their stuff laying around and I don't get it in the wash, then these cubbies are empty, and next week they know that they have to be more diligent in putting their things in the laundry hamper. So that's my tip, and these are real life hacks. As you can see, we've got toys and all sorts of things going on in the bottom of the closet. This was not a curated video, but I did want to share with you our strategy on how to cut down on laundry and clothes just everywhere, and the frustration of getting ready in the mornings as well. I hope you enjoy this tip, and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd love to have you around when I share more real life things going on for our family. Thanks guys, bye.